The construction of the car began in 1931 at the Austrian plant Austro-Daimler Puch, and the prototype was created in 1933. It was the world's first four-axle armored car. It had an unusual symmetrical structure in order to achieve the same driving possibilities in both directions. Production started in 1935 at the Steyr Puch plant, which took over Austro-Daimler. A total of 27 cars were built until 1937, 12 for the Austrian Army and 14 for the police forces, including 6 for the Vienna Sicherheitswache. In 1941, Heinrich Himmler ordered an additional 25 cars from Steyr for the German police forces, which were built in 1942. They were heavy four-axle vehicles armed with a 20mm cannon, with a supply of 100 rounds, and 3 machine guns. One of them was located in the tower and 2 in the hull, vertical firing angle from -15 degrees to 45 degrees, horizontal 15 degrees in both directions. The armor consisted of 11mm thick plates welded to the frame. The hull was mounted on a frame. The crew entered the interior through 4 hexagonal doors, 2 on each side at the front and rear, the upper parts of which could be opened independently for ventilation. The crew could consist of 4 to 6 people. The drive was a 6-cylinder carburetor overhead valve inline Austro-Daimler M612 engine with a displacement of 12 liters and a power of 150 horsepower at 1,800 revolutions per minute. The engine was placed in the rear part of the vehicle, in a protruding housing. The vehicle had steering axles and 2 driver's positions, thanks to which maneuverability and performance were identical when driving forward and backward. There were twin wheels on the 2 central driven axles. After the Anschluss of Austria, apart from other equipment, 27 armored cars of this type, designated by the Austrian Army as M35 Mittlerer Panzerwagen, fell into German hands. At the time of the Anschluss, 12 of them were in the Austrian Rapid Division, and 15 were used by the police. The seized vehicles were assigned to police and Waffen-SS units and took part in the attack on Poland. 2 cars named Ostmark and Sudetenland supported the SS Heimwehr Danzig Regiment during the assault on the Polish post office in Gdansk on September 1, 1939. In the following days, they participated in battles with the Coastal Defense Forces, and one of them was the first German vehicle to enter Gdynia on September 14th. Later, they were used for occupation purposes in Poland and by units fighting Soviet partisans in the occupied territories of the USSR. In 1941, an additional 25 copies of this vehicle were ordered for the Ordnungspolizei,